Right, so here's my electric bike, which I made, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, I can't remember now. About a year ago, I decided to take it all apart, grease it, clean it, and whatever else needed doing, and I lost a piece to the headset, so I couldn't reassemble it, and I just kind of junked it in a pile, and it's been sitting like it for over a year now. So I just recently got a new headset. This one here, just a cheap Chinese one, but do the job. It's got cartridge bearings. I would have preferred the standard ball bearings, but it was cheap, so I got that. So the way I removed the headset from this, you can see there's the bottom race there. I just chisel and hammer and just went all the way around it on all sides until it fell out. Now I haven't actually got a headset press, so the way that I'm gonna do this is with a piece of all thread, and yeah, I've lost it. Oh no. So yeah, I'm going to use this piece of all thread here, and I found this aluminium pulley which just happened to fit inside the race nicely, and then I'm going to slide this through here. So it looks like this, and I can make a headset press out of it. So then all I need to do is poke it through there like so, put another washer on this end and another nut, and then just draw it together to fit the headset, and hopefully all will go well. So here we go, and you got that pulley inside the race there. Down here, this is a old wheel off a jack. What went wrong? And just another nut, and obviously the thread through the centre. Hopefully this is going to work and I ain't going to mess this race up. I've lined it up and got it as square as much as possible, so hopefully it goes in square. So yeah, let's try it out, see what happens. Surprisingly easy actually, after all my worries about it going in sideways. Yeah, so that headset install went really well. Quite impressed how easy that slipped in now actually. Works fine. I have pressed a steel one in like that before, and it took a lot more force to get in than that, so I was really worrying about damaging this aluminium one, but no, it all went okay. So yeah, please comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell icon, be much appreciated, and I'll see you next time. Bye.